Hadin ke Kyndon jong brio bola Shondur da ka mobile camera ha ka por ba Thep ya ka vote jong u ban pen ik low bola kershan ya ka we ka seng san hima ha ka por men step jong ka khat khandai tere ya yong arja arpusau u chief electoral officer ka jalla Meghalaya u BDR Tiwari IAS ha ba jubab ya ni ka jingkli na ki lat pathai ka bor ba tiu brio u bola pen ken ni ki Kyndon penyat election ula ong ba ka Tnad kan Ujor da ka ejahar persya ya Kumban syukudau baha kapor step jangka khat khandai tere yong arja arpusau kadur kepala Shondur ba lamprang karbani presiden kanyo trap Achik National Movement HANM kala sapriang hakiran san social media hakaba ula paru hakawai ka WhatsApp group kabala ai kerteng jat ben riungin kersio bat ula bu kum ka status ban kentu ye kiwai ban kersan ya kawai ka seng san hima Kini kejing le jong tu rang ba kala bu yu dak jing keli ha kejing perkhat jong babun pat ba bakum no ula bandra e ka mobile phone chapo ka jaka Thep vote ha ka ba ka election commission jong kari India kala mana ting e ha ba keli halor ki Kyndon an ayu an pangat ye ki bale komtai u CEO ula ang bagi Kyndon ki election commission of India kin Treikam yaki
The matter has come to our knowledge also. The cognizance has been taken, and RO Shillong is in the Shillong district and in the Shillong constituency area. So if FIR being filed, that the matter. So I am telling you, once the matter has come to our knowledge, and RO also taken cognizance and needful appropriate action is being taken. Once we will properly examine entire matter and accordingly all the needful action will be inserted. No such incident, and if there will be anything, so concerned official and the ground and the district will take cognizance and ensure needful action.
The reports of some people were taking pictures while voting. Under which act will he be punished for?
The appropriate action as per law, as per the ECI's instruction, that will be ensured.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya